Despite all the tough talk from the Premier about tougher fines for COVID violators, if you're flying back into Alberta from another country and you skip that mandatory 3-day hotel stay and the 14-day quarantine, you likely won't face any fines at all. Kevin Green joins us now to explain why that's happening. Kevin.
Tara, the bottom line is that even 14 months into the pandemic, our province has not adopted a key piece of federal legislation that would make it easier for police to enforce the measures in the Quarantine Act. It's called the Contraventions Act, and it allows police additional powers to enforce that Quarantine Act. Alberta is the only province with a functioning international airport that hasn't adopted the legislation. Calgary Police confirmed to me this afternoon that as a result, they have not issued any tickets to travelers under the Quarantines Act. And in a statement sent to CTV, the police said, in Alberta, we are left to receive a complaint, sometimes days or longer after the fact, and we must investigate and then apply to the courts for a summons. Without the immediacy of enforcement, necessary evidence is not available as the Canadian Border Services Agency and the Public Health Agency of Canada policies and procedures do not track essential elements for after-the-fact prosecution. Policy experts I spoke with today say they're worried that an argument or an animosity between the lawmakers in Edmonton and in Ottawa may be putting Albertans at risk.
Now, this can be one of two things. It can be pure negligence, and never underestimate that. Governments, things just pass them by. There is a profound dislike between the UCP and anything to do with the rest of the country, and that includes the federal Liberal government. And it may be, I can't say that it is, but it sure smells that way, doesn't it?
Tara, a short while ago, following repeated inquiries from CTV, the province supplied us with a written response to our questions about the Contraventions Act. A spokesperson for the Justice Minister noted that airports are federal jurisdictions, as are the incoming travellers, and the province maintains that the Public Health Agency of Canada is capable of enforcing the Quarantine Act. Additionally, the province says Calgary Police should be able to press charges under the Health Act as long as the Public Health Agency officials provide complete evidence. But as you heard police state earlier, those agencies do not track that information that would make that possible. What Alberta Justice did not answer is why Alberta is the only one of the 4 provinces with a functioning international airport that hasn't adopted the Quarantine Act. The others, of course, being Quebec, Ontario, and British Columbia. They have not said why Alberta continues to refuse to adopt the Contraventions Act.
Okay, Kevin Green reporting. Kevin, thank you.